Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a fruit pie. So to start off, we are starting off by making the dough. I've added some baking powder, some salt, sugar, some vanilla essence. So I'm adding the essence to beat the smell of the egg. You don't have to add the vanilla essence. So that's I'm adding some hot water. This is where I was kneading the dough until it became very soft. Then I covered it for about 30 minutes for it to cool down. Now here you are making the filling of the fruit pie. First I'm starting with a piece of cake. I'm crumbling it down. After that, I'm adding pineapple essence just to remove the smell of the eggs. Personally, I don't like the smell of the egg, so that's why I was adding the essence. The essence is completely optional. Then some sugar, about 125 ml. No, sugar is measured in kgs. I don't know. Then some red bananas. But here, if you have the overripe bananas, they work best. Now for the sugar, it was 125 grams. Always clean as you go. Then some black raisins. So far you can tell that this fruit pie is too sugary. So it's a dessert. I'm adding a pinch of cinnamon powder, just to give it a flavor. So you can choose any flavor that you want. Now it's time to get messy and to mix everything up. My hands are clean, everything was clean, so I had to get my hands to mix everything. The bananas took some time to break down. That's why I was telling you guys, if you have the overripe bananas, they'll be best. Here you mix everything until you have a very smooth consistency, but a hard consistency. I don't know if it's making sense. As for me, I wish I had some more cake because mine was runny. Yeah, the mixture at the end should not be runny, it should be firm, but mine was a bit runny, so I went with it because I didn't have any other cake. This is how I mixed everything up. As always, clean your services as you go. Time to make the dough, time to roll out the dough. First, we are lining this baking tray, the baking paper or parchment paper.
그냥 모두 좋았어. 널 만나서 모든 게 다 잠에서 깨어나서 휴대폰을 먼저 보게 돼. 참 많이 변했다네가. 세상에서 제일 행복한 순간 널 만나고 매일 겪게 돼. 매일은 감사하죠. 그대가 곁에 있어서 언제나 오늘 갖길 기도해요. 그대와 함께라는 건 영원한 축복 같아서
Here I was rolling out the dough. I was trying to make sure it's going to fit in the baking tray.
잠에서 깨어나면 오늘 날씨 먼저 확인해. 우산을 챙겨야 할지. 세상에서 제일 행복한 순간 널 만나 참 다행인 거야. 매일 난 감사하죠. 그대가 곁에 있어서 언제나 오늘 갖길 기도해요. 그대와 함께라는 건
Slowly I'm adding in the filling mixture.
사랑한다고 언제까지나
This is what I did in the mixture. I need more than the filling, but not to worry, I worked a bit. So that it can fit in the dough. And then I had to add some beaten eggs on top. Then I had to roll out the other dough so that it can cover the top of the filling. This is me covering the top. Here I was cutting the excess dough and I was feeling like a surgeon. From now onwards, my name has changed to Surgeon Anastasia. And then I had to seal everything in using a fork. And again here I was feeling like a surgeon. Then I had to brush the top of the dough with an egg. This is a very good dessert for your guests, for your occasions, even for yourself. It was very sweet. And I want you guys to give me other ideas of other recipes you want me to do. You can leave your comments and your suggestion on the comment box below. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. It's absolutely free. Like this video and share it with your friends. In a preheated oven, I baked this meat pie at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. And these were the results. What I wish I did differently, I wish I added some water. I wish I placed some water in a sufuria so that the crust could not be this hard. The crust became so hard. I wish I added some water in a sufuria so that the oven had some moisture, could have some moisture. This was me doing the tasting test, even you call it that. It was very hot at this point. I wish I had let it cool first, but it was too sugary for me. I don't have a sweet tooth, but for people with a sweet tooth, this would be the perfect dessert for you guys. But it was very, very sweet. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please consider to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.